Hey guys, just wanted to come and talk to you guys for a second. Y'all know I was doing the Smooth Move organic tea just for a detox, and I just wanted to come give a review on it. I did it for about a week and a half, and it does work. It's very gentle. You know, you won't get any extreme results from this as far as like quickly, like in 1 week. I did lose some pounds though. I lost about maybe 10 pounds within that time frame. So it does work. I didn't feel as bloated and everything. And you can see a difference. I also was doing about 30 minutes of cardio, which is, you know, normally what I do a day. So that along with low carb eating, it definitely was working. But for me, I like something a little bit more drastic when I do a cleanse. So I had to move on to the next best thing. So, which is Mago7. Now, I've been heard about this cleanse a little while ago. I was actually watching an interview with Kiki Wyatt that she did a while ago, and she said she used to use this after pregnancy to help, I guess, you know, snap back. So, and she said it really works to cleanse your body out, of course, along with good diet, and it'll work. So what it is a digestive cleanse, and it's mainly magnesium. It has 1,035 milligrams of magnesium and 99 milligrams of potassium. And let me tell you guys, I already did this for about a week. And I'm going to tell you honestly, at first, you know, it started off gradually. About that fourth day, it was no joke. So by the time I made it to the weekend, I said, okay, let me take a break. Because I had a lot of stuff I had to do this weekend. I had a lot of running around to do. So I said I'll start back on it Sunday night. So I'm going to start back on it tonight. But it was working extremely. So I didn't get on the scale afterwards because I knew it was the holiday weekend and stuff. And I didn't want to stress about the scale on the holiday weekend. So I'll probably get on the scale probably the end of next week to get an actual number. But I can tell with the way my clothes were fitting and, you know, the results each day that this cleanse works here. The only thing I can say about it is definitely take it at night. I was taking it too late. I was taking it around 12, 1 o'clock in the morning. So what would happen is it would catch me midday the next day, and you don't want it to do that. So you might want to take it like maybe 8 or 9. And that should hit you right around, I guess, early morning, 9, 10 o'clock. So I think that's better for the cleanse. But it definitely does work. And it works a little bit faster than the other tea that I was doing. But like I said, you have to choose what's good for you and according to your goals and what you would like to do. For me, I like drastic. Because I like to see results quickly. And get my body back on that transition quickly, especially if I've been eating bad or whatever. So I've been doing pretty good. I even did pretty good during the holiday. I did have one good plate, you know, and that was it. I didn't go back for seconds. I cut back on my sugar. And the best way for me to do that, I'm going to be honest, I didn't buy it. Don't bring it in the house. If I want something, I have a little bit of it while I'm out. But if I bring it in the house, it's gone. Bring a pack of cookies in the house, next thing you know, the cookies are gone. So the best thing to do is to bring like healthy snacks in there, Jello and all of that stuff, and it helped. I didn't totally go cold turkey. In the weeks coming, I'll probably get more serious, and I'll probably change my workout up and, you know, do a little bit more. But actually, what I was doing was working pretty good. So I might stick to that for about another week before I take it up to the next notch. But I am going to get back on this cleanse tonight. Take a look, Mago7. The bottle used to look a little different. So if you see a bottle that looks different, it's the same stuff. Just make sure it's Mago7. And I'll keep you all posted. Stay tuned for next week on my update. And till next time, bye.